For households with kids, or even adults with a sweet tooth, there's a real risk of having candy or gum get stuck in carpet or on furniture. Many who have tried know it's not always easy to remove them. Thankfully, the experts at Aladdin Cleaning and Restoration have some tips and tricks that can help you get out of this sticky situation. Let's start with gum. Here's what you'll need: a fork, mild dishwashing detergent, warm water, and a white towel. Once you have your supplies, here's how to remove the gum. Step 1. Remove as much of the gum as possible with the fork without disturbing the fibers of your carpet or furniture. Step 2. Mix detergent with warm water and get the towel wet. Step 3. Use the towel to blot the warm water and detergent solution to the spot. Make sure not to scrub or you risk causing the gum to adhere further to the fibers. Step 4. Remove any excess gum loosened by the sudsy solution. Step 5. Apply warm water to a clean area of the white towel. Step 6. Rinse the spot of any detergent left behind. It might take a few rounds, but soon, voila, you're as good as new. Cleaning hard candy and chocolate is a similar process. For chocolate, you want to first let it dry and scrape off as much as you can from the surface. For hard candy, use cold water to soften the candy first, then try scraping away. If you're still having trouble removing your candy or gum, you may need professional cleaners to help, like those at Aladdin Cleaning and Restoration. To read more about this process, check out the full blog below, and be sure to subscribe for more cleaning tips.